Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face missed call notification not showing. Yes, this time I shall be looking at how you can easily face this problem. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys to do is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your settings over here. Now once you open your settings, all you want to do is to just scroll to where you can see apps and notifications, and you can see over here notifications over here. Click on notifications and you need to make sure you allow notifications over here. So you can see notifications, you have to allow your notifications over here. And once you are done, just open application settings, and once you open application settings over here, scroll to where you can see your phone application. So scroll to where you can see your phone application over here. So just keep scrolling over here, and once you scroll, okay, let's look for our phone. Okay, so this is the phone application. Just open your phone application, you can see notifications. Click on notifications and you need to make sure all the notifications are on. So you need to make sure all the notifications for this phone is on, and once you are done with that, you can also click on permissions and then allow the permissions over here, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video